Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning off the water and relieving pressure. This prevents leaks as you work. Next, identify whether you have an undersink cartridge or an inline tap filter because the fitting and installation order differ. Once done, lay out the T-adapter, tubing, wrench, and seal tape in reach. Cut the tubing cleanly with a straight cut. A jagged edge compromises seals. Make sure connectors and threads are dry and free of debris, so fittings seat properly without cross-threading. You now focus on the core connection, the T-adapter to the cold water line and the tubing to the filter. Wrap PTFE tape on male threads clockwise so it won't unravel when you tighten. Thread the adapter into the valve by hand, then use a wrench for a snug quarter turn. You want a watertight seal without cracking fittings. Push tubing into the adapter until it hits the internal stop. This ensures a proper grip. Once the tubing is seated, secure its compression nut or locking clip so it won't pull free under pressure. You finish by mounting the filter and testing for leaks and correct flow. Attach the canister or cartridge following orientation arrows, hand tighten any bayonet or threaded caps, then open the shutoff valve slowly to pressurize the system. Watch every joint for steady drips for the first several minutes. Tighten only if you see a persistent leak. Once sealed, flush the filter as instructed, typically running it for 3–5 minutes, to remove carbon dust and activate media. Troubleshooting tip: if low flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.